We love coffee.
Spicy. My favorite food is coffee. My favorite drink is coffee. And also, I like coffee. Yeah.
Sometimes I don't know what to put in my coffee, even though that I drink energy drinks.
I always have almond milk in mine every single day.
Oh my gosh, what are the chances? We should make almond milk.
That's a good idea. I've never made it.
Oh my
I
gosh.
bet it'd be kind of fun.
Wait, I think there's almonds right there. Holy shit.
Whole natural almonds. I love some good almonds. Can I have some?
Here's some almonds.
This is like 4 meals.
Yeah, I don't know anything else that you could possibly put in your coffee besides almond.
Holy shit, these are amazing. What if we made homemade almond milk and then put it in our coffee?
Let's make almond milk. This is some
Good.
Today we're making nut milk. Today we're making homemade almond milk.
Almonds.
Almonds.
Almonds are delicious.
So how do you make almond milk?
Almond milk is
Because we need to flavor our coffee. I love coffee. If I didn't mention it to you.
Not gonna lie, 4 cups is how I start my day. Not lying.
No,
not
he's not even
100%.
exaggerating.
The 4 cups. I don't drink. If I don't, I'm tired.
That's pathetic, Peter. I have like
You drink tea.
Look at tea's a lot better than coffee.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Tea doesn't do anything, but it's like.
It's like just the right amount. It's just enough caffeine for me, and it doesn't make my breath smell like.
I have mint and gum all the time. You head.
Yeah, no
Try and
wonder.
compete with that hat.
Yeah, I don't need mints and gum because I drink tea.
Really?
Yeah.
Really? I don't remember asking. Coffee's a lot better.
You know what? You. I'm gonna go get some tea because
You should because
I don't want the. I don't want this damn shit. Tea. So much
That
better
looks
than
like
coffee.
it's pomegranate tea.
It's good. You know what? It's a lot better than coffee. Oh, look it. I don't even need a coffee machine. I just need hot water. I didn't want too bad.
What in the world is coffee?
I'll get the tape again. I'll tie you up so fast.
And you'll enjoy it too.
What are we supposed to flavor our drinks of choice with? Like,
Wait, didn't Emma Chamberlain make some video about almond milk?
No. Shut up. Wait, were we supposed to use regular milk? You know this comes from
Ew.
cow
Breasts.
right? I would much rather suck on the tip
Breasts.
of an almond than a cow. We don't even know if it's a girl or not. We need to make almond milk because freaking
Breasts.
milk. Step 1. Get
Milk some almonds.
Get some dry bowls. Step 2. Get some water. Once you have your clear water, remember this is
Clear.
water you're gonna want
There's
to
no
drink.
milk in that.
Put your dry almonds in. Now you're gonna want to let it sit for 1 day.
The next day.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That wasn't 1 day.
Yeah, it was.
Nuh-uh.
1 day just. I think we're time telepathers.
Telepathers.
Wow, your almonds are all plump.
Watch, I'll try and eat one and it won't even crack. Oh yeah, it does. It's milky. I think I got this. These are delicious.
Let's milk them. Now, unlike common belief, almonds don't actually have physical
Breasts.
that you can milk.
We didn't know this until 30 seconds ago when Wikipedia explained it, but who knows if that's even true. Crack the almond down the ass, and look, you have 2 sides. This is the milk. It turned to water in my mouth.
What you actually do is blend the almonds. So, we're gonna drain these almonds out. Remember, look. I did it backwards.
These are good, I like them.
You like soggy nuts? Once you have your 24-hour soaked almonds,
They're soft, look.
you're gonna want to put a
Milk.
1 cup of almonds to 4 cups of water ratio. 1 cup, 4 cups of water. 4.
Just a little bit for extra.
Blend 4 to 8 hours.
Nut milk.
You're not gonna want some bland
Nobody likes
nut sauce.
Bland nut milk.
So
we
all
want
you
to
gotta
sweeten
do,
it up.
add a 1/4 cup of sugar, because remember, sugar's good for you.
Salty.
Now, it may sound weird, but the salt really brings out the inner nut of it.
Smell it. Smell the nut milk.
Whoa, calm down.
It smells like nut milk.
Now, you're gonna wanna get a bowl to put your nut milk in. Don't dump it
But
in yet.
you need
Top
cheesecloth.
shelf.
And yes, it is made from cheese.
That's not gonna do anything.
They're big chunks, Reese. Go ahead.
Now you're gonna wanna filter out your nuts with a cheesecloth. Oh.
It's falling in the
I'll
sides.
leak out the sides.
Okay, dump it back in. Oh, yeah. Look at all
Milky.
that milk. We're almost there.
The best way to make nut milk is with friends. Now squeeze.
Okay, now you got all.
Reese, can I have
No,
a-
I just dumped it all in.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. It's
I-
fine.
I don't want coffee. I need my tea.
You don't add milk and stuff to tea.
Yeah, you can.
You do?
It tastes really good.
You would know.
Yeah, I would know. Dumb
Idiot.
you idiot. Stop throwing stuff.
You're the one throwing things.
You threw it. Once I got my coffee, a light dosage of fresh, homemade, never touched almond milk.
Fresh.
A light dosage, just so you can get a hint of
Just
flavor.
a hint of almondy.
We're virgins. Let's see how it tastes.
Let's see how it tastes. It's so good. Oh my god.
Mustacholi!
My life is changed.
Mustacholi! Rock it on! It's just...
Baptism. Negatives.
I love almond milk with a passion, guys. Oh my gosh.
This is so good.
Oh,
It took so long. We stole it from Emma Chamberlain. There's coffee everywhere. Ashton's covered in milk. I'm covered in milk. Ashton's covered in coffee too. This was not fun, but make it. Do it, and then show us, and then leave in comments how many digits is your social security number and what they are. That's then.
Thank you for watching. Peace!
Okay, now cover picture.
Stop, Peter. You're embarrassing me.